Can you hear me, class? Okay, so good morning, class. Who is assigned today to lead a prayer? Okay, Kevin, please lead an opening prayer for today. Amen. So, Miss Secretary, please check the attendance and after the class, send to me the list of absent today. Okay, before we start a new lesson for today, let us have first a short recall of the undefined terms in geometry. So, what are the undefined terms in geometry? Yes, Brex. Very good. The undefined terms in geometry are point, line, and plane. So, what is a plane? Yes, Daniela. Correct. A plane is a flat surface and that extends in all directions. So the lesson presentation today, we will learn about the system of describing the location of a point on a plane, which is known as the rectangular coordinate system or the Cartesian coordinate system. Are you ready to listen? But before that, we have a game. I will present a jumbled letters and you will going to answer it. For number 1, yes, Kevin. Very good. That is origin. For number 2, harrow. Yes, very good. That is quadrants. Daniela. Very good. That is axis. Next, Heavilyn. Very good. That is positive. Next. Okay. Very good. That is Cartesian plane. Very good. These words are related to our topic today, so that we proceed now to our new lesson, the rectangular coordinate system. These are our objectives. At the end of 60 minutes discussion, the students are expected to describe the rectangular coordinate axis, the origin, and a point on the coordinate plane, indicate the name of a point in the Cartesian plane, and appreciate the concept of rectangular coordinate system in real life situation. So this is the rectangular coordinate system, or we can also call it Cartesian coordinate system. French mathematician René Descartes, 1596 to 1650, who is known as the father of modern mathematics, came up with this idea of his coordinate system, the Cartesian plane. So, the XY plane or Cartesian plane in honor of the French mathematician René Descartes, who is known as the father of modern mathematics. Parts of the Cartesian plane. The Cartesian plane is composed of two perpendicular number lines that meet at the point of origin 0 and 0 and divide the plane into four regions called quadrants. The first coordinate of a point is called the x-coordinate or abscissa, and the second coordinate is called the y-coordinate or ordinate. The horizontal line is called the x-axis and the vertical line is called the y-axis. Each point in the coordinate system is defined by an ordered pair of the form x and y. So, Wendell, what do you call to the first coordinate of a point? Okay, very good. Haro, what do you call to the second coordinate of a point? Very good. Christine, what do you call to the horizontal and vertical lines? Very good. Nakikinig sila. The sign of the first and second coordinate of point vary in the four quadrants as indicated below. So, in quadrant 1, x is positive, y is positive. And quadrant 2, x is negative, y is positive. Quadrant 3, x is negative, y is negative. And quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. There are also points which lie in x and y axis. The points which lie in the x-axis have coordinates x and 0, and the points which lie in the y-axis have coordinates 0 and y, which where x and y are real numbers. So now we proceed to your first activity. This activity will enable you to give the coordinate of the parts of building. After 10 minutes, I will call names and give me the answers. So for the direction, describe the location of each point below by completing the following table. An example is done for you. Note that the points indicate the center of the given part of the building. I will send the picture in our GC para mas makita nyo ng maayos yung coordinate parts ng building. Are you done? Okay. Number 1, Aryan. Number 2, Hevelyn. Number 3, Marie-Chris. Number 4, Shireen. Number 5, Janessa. Number 6, JC. Number 7, Kevin. Number 8, Carol. Number 9, Cherry Ann. Number 10, Mylene. 11, Christiana. 12, Daniela. 13, Brex. And for the last, Wendell. Thank you everyone, and very good for answering the activity number 1. Okay, for your second activity, this activity will enable you to give the coordinate of the point where the object is located. After 5 minutes, I will call names and give the answer. Are you done? Okay. For number 1, Rex. 2, Hevelyn. 3, Christine. 4, JC. 5, Kevin. 6, Carol. And for last, Harold. That's great. Very good class. You did a good job in answering the activity. Now, go back to the picture and points indicate there as well as your answer in activity. Observe the picture and tells me what do you use and observe in every quadrant. Okay, sure, Praxilin. Very good. Thank you, Prex. So, Prex said that in the quadrant 1, the abscissa and the ordinate are both positive. In quadrant 2, the abscissa is negative and the ordinate is positive. In quadrant 3, the abscissa and ordinate are both negative, and in quadrant 4, The abscissa is positive and the ordinate is negative. Now, to further understand the lesson, we have another activity. In this activity, indicate the name of each point in the Cartesian plane. Name each point by writing the letters beside it. The coordinates are provided in the box below. I will give you only 5 minutes and I will choose students to answer the activity. Okay, very good, everyone. So, in what particular areas in our lives can we apply the importance of the Cartesian plane or the cross? Okay, Carvin. Very good. The Cartesian plane or the cross is important in several areas of our lives, like in mathematics and science. Used for graphing and visualizing relationships, navigation, and GPS determines precise location on Earth's surface. Computer graphics and games renders and manipulates objects on screen and etc. So for your next activity, write the coordinate of each point. Identify the quadrant axis where the point lies. Here is a picture of Cartesian coordinate system with points on it. I will give you 5 minutes again to answer. Okay, very good, everyone. So that for your last activity, bring out 1/2 sheet of paper and answer this in 5 minutes. And take a picture of your answer and I will call 2 names to read their answer. Very good, everyone. Now it's already time. Kaya bibigyan ko kayo ng assignment. Picturean nyo na lang and next week nyo ipapasa na iintindihan.
Or the Cartesian plane.
Okay, so that here will end our discussion for today. Any question, suggestion, and clarification?
As the father of modern
Okay, goodbye, class.